some curly ends. One pack. We have these crochet loop net, so the loop net here, and these are human hair crochet. So it tells you on the back, these will be my first time using this. It's wet and wavy, so you can dye it, bleach them, all the good stuff. I just wanted a wavy look, but I wanted ones that were human hair because I'm going to the beach. I didn't want to have to worry about it looking matted. So my hair is freshly washed like this. So this is the hairstyle we're doing. And there's multiple, you're probably wondering, okay, how are you going to do the back? Well, that's where the crochet comes in, because I'm like, I just need something that I can do. So we're going to part like half of our hair. I want the braids to be long, not long, but like I want this section to be pretty wide. So now we have the back. And I think I'm going to do, since I'm going to crochet, I think I'm going to do 4 braids straight down the back. So we're going to do this part. The guy at the hair store, he said he thinks that 3 would be enough to cover the back of my head. So I'm hoping he's right. I don't know how many are in here. Not every hair store is going to have the human hair crochet. So you want to try to find one that has one. It took me going to 2 locations. I went to a smaller beauty supply store. They didn't have it. And then I went to like one that was huge, and they had those as the only option. So we're done with the back. Here we go. I know it's kind of messy. That's what we're gonna do. Crochet tool, which is key. And we're going to use our first pack of hair. Okay, it feels real. It looks good. Got some body. Okay, 34 pieces. I'm not gonna lie, my count's probably off, but this is a lot, right? This could probably be the whole bottom or like the middle. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. I haven't done crochet in a long time. And the first loop is going to be to secure these. I had to go off camera to make sure I knew what I was doing, but I'm back. And as you can see, we have some here. And this is how it kind of looks from the front. I imagine this will be covered once I finish readjusting and add some more at the top. But the good thing about crochet is that you can kind of maneuver them around. Get the look you want. Oh. So I was getting stressed and it was taking way too long. So I decided not to film me doing the whole process. But I want to come on here and just show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the back. I have a few more crochets that I'm going to put in once I do the braids to see where I need to like fill in the gaps. And then I can show you. To start with the top, I'm trying to decide how I want to braid, but I think I want diagonal this way and then some this way. I think I might want to try to do a design. I don't know, I'm gonna try not to make it too complicated. So since I'm gonna do a side like this, the key to straight lines is to get a comb that's really sharp here. So with creating clean lines, a little bit of shine and jam. I switched to this product instead because I ran out of the other one. I wanted it to be like diagonal. I think I'm gonna do like 5 braids on each side, and I'm gonna keep parting until I get the look that I want.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know. Screw
her head popping and little things stopping. I got 2 more. 10 out of 10. Don't recommend doing this hairstyle on yourself unless, you know, you want to take 5 hours. I don't know why this took so long. I don't know if it was the crocheting or if it was the braids, but I'm so close to being done. So let's go ahead and part off the last 2 braids. I think I'm gonna do it like this on a diagonal. Anytime I take a long time in my hair, my voice always starts getting raspy because I'm just like ready to be done. And my light keeps dying. I just charged it. We love that for us. It takes too long to braid on camera, so I'll be back. I'm gonna need to cut some of the braiding hair because it's a little longer than the crochet hair, which was to be expected. Make sure you're following me on all platforms to see photos